Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix GCash update problem. So let's get started. So here we can see the GCash app. Okay, so to fix that, you have to follow these easy steps. So just open it, then you have to close, then you have to press and hold to the app. Then you have to just click to the type button. It will open the app info section. So here you have to go to the storage, just click on clear data, just clear the app. Then you have to open app again, and then you have to update, and then your update will be fixed. So by this way you can do it, and this is how to fix the GCash update problem. So if you have any questions related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.